Namaste. Now we are going to do the Vayu Mudra. In Sanskrit, Vayu means air, Mudra means gesture of hands. Now let us see what are the benefits of this Vayu Mudra. The Vayu Mudra, which keeps our mind peace and calm. It develops the immunity against cold and cough. Now let us see how to do this Vayu Mudra. First step, sit straight. Keep both of your hands on your lap. Now fold the pointing finger. Keep the thumb finger on the pointing finger. Rest of the three fingers place straight. Now slowly inhale,
exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
Now slowly take your thumb finger on both of your hands and your pointing finger. Now stretch your both of your hands and relax. Thank you very much for watching this video.